Hello and welcome to Common Entrance Maths Lesson 11. Today we'll learn how to divide whole numbers, fractions, and mixed numbers using simple steps. You're welcome. So remember, when dealing with division of fractions or mixed numbers, we keep, change, flip. That's the rule. As we keep the left side of the equation, we change the sign from division to multiplication, and then we flip the right side of the equation. Always remember that. So question 1 for today is 4 divided by 1 over 2 or 4 divided by half. So we first convert 4 to a fraction. So 4 is equal to 4 over 1. So 4 over 1 divided by 1 over 2. Remember the rule. Keep, change, and flip. So we keep 4 over 1 the way it is. We change the sign from division to multiplication. And then we flip 1 over 2 to 2 over 1. That's what flip. We flip it. It becomes 2 over 1. So 4 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 1, you multiply the numerators and then you multiply the denominators. For the numerators, you have 4 times 2, which gives us 8. For the denominator, we have 1 times 1, gives us 1. So 8 over 1 is the same thing as 8. Our answer is 8. So our question 2 for today is 1.5 divided by half. So we first of all convert 1.5 to an improper fraction. Improper fractions are fractions that the numerators are greater than the denominators. So 1.5 becomes 3 over 2. We know how we got that, right? That's 1 times 2 plus 1 gives us 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 divided by half. So remember the rules. You keep, change, and flip. So we keep 3 over 2. We change the division sign to multiplication sign. Then we flip 1 over 2 to 2 over 1. So we use the rule for the multiplication of fraction. Top times top, then bottom times bottom. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. 2 times 1 gives us 2. So 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. And that's our answer. So let's go for another example. Very easy one. 2 whole number 2 over 3 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 3. I know it's easy, right? This one that you are yawning. Hope you're not tired. So please, we're going to work this one now. So we first of all convert our mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 2 whole number 2 over 3 becomes 8 over 3. That's 2 times 3, 6 plus 2, 8 over the denominator 3. The same thing, 1 whole number 1 over 3 becomes 1 times 3, 3 plus 1, 4 over the denominator 3. So now we have 8 over 3 divide 4 over 3. So the rule again, keep, change, and flip. So 8 over 3 times 3 over 4. So we multiply the numerators 8 times 3, and then we multiply the denominators 3 times 4. 8 times 3 gives us 24 over 3 times 4, which gives us 12. So 24 divided by 12 gives us 2. So our answer is 2. So our challenge question for today is 3 whole number 3 over 4 or 3 3/4 divided by 1 whole number 1 over 2 or 1.5. So you can pause the video and do it yourself. Hope you tried it yourself as I instructed. We'll do it together now. 3 whole number 3 over 4, we convert that to an improper fraction. 3 times 4, the denominator, gives you 12. 12 plus 3, 15 over 4. So 3 whole number 3 over 4 becomes 15 over 4. 1 1/2 becomes 3 over 2. 1 times 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 2. So 15 over 4 times, we flip 3 over 2, it becomes 2 over 3. So 15 times 2, the numerators, 30. 4 times 3 for the denominators, you have 12. So we divide through by 6 because 6 can go into 30 5 times. 6 can go into 12 2 times. So we have 5 over 2. So we further simplify that. 2 into 5, it goes twice. That's 2 whole number, and it remains 1, remainder 1. So that 1 over 2. So our final answer is 2 whole number 1 over 2. I hope we got that. So always remember, when dealing with the division of mixed numbers, you convert the mixed numbers first, then you apply the rule for the division of fractions. Keep, change, and flip. Always remember that. And that brings us to the end of today's class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. Also turn on your notification so that you get more of this common entrance maths whenever they are posted. Until next time, bye bye.